Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. This week, we are in Chauvin, Alberta. It is located 60 kilometers southeast of Wainwright and about 10 kilometers west of the Saskatchewan border. In 1908, the Grand Trunk Pacific Railway reached Chauvin. In July of the same year, the Chauvin town site was surveyed and lots were available to purchase. This was followed by a rush of settlers, and soon the district was fairly thickly settled. Chauvin now became the distribution center, not only for the mail, which had previously been delivered only to Ribstone, but also for supplies of every kind. The railway had not yet reached Macklin, Provost, or further south, so Chauvin was the shipping point for the entire district. Many supplies were delivered by train to Chauvin and then distributed throughout the area. The village itself was incorporated on December 30th, 1912, and was named after George von Chauvin, an engineer with the Grand Trunk Pacific Railway. At this time, the hotel was built, and Chauvin rapidly grew from its then small population of only 25 people to its present size. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if that's something you're into. Feel free to share this video with friends or family members you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next week, bye-bye.